Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Colorado Movers Service. If you're looking for a top-rated, cheap Colorado moving company, look no further than 3 Movers. We're a full-service moving company that can help with everything from corporate moving services to cross-country moves. We have a fleet of moving trucks and a team of professional movers who are dedicated to making your move as stress-free as possible. We also have a lot of helpful moving tips to make your move go smoothly. So if you're looking for a quality moving company that won't break the bank, give us a call today. 3 Movers is a high-quality, value-driven moving company in Colorado. Our experienced crews assist residential and commercial customers with their local and long-distance moves. Long-distance Colorado moving companies. Finding the right moving company for your long-distance relocation to or from Colorado will make a complex project proceed more smoothly. Planning a move is a big job, and finding a great vendor makes it manageable. Local movers in Colorado. Local moving companies in Colorado aren't subject to regulation by the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration if the move is staying inside the state. That means it's your responsibility to verify that the company you select for your job is qualified. You can start by getting referrals from friends or family, or a professional like your realtor or rental agent, and ask the mover for some recent customer references to validate their reliability. Ask the mover for documentation of their business license and insurance coverage as well. At 3 Movers, anyone who requires our services as residential movers in Colorado can access several different types of services, including packing and unpacking, storage, auto transport, and full-service moves. What are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.